Hello everyone, and welcome again to the RV Inspection and Care channel. I'm Dwayne, and this is the third part in a three-part series of how to care for the exterior of your RV. Now, if you haven't seen the first two videos, you really need to do that. Go back and review. Start at the first one, because between those two videos, I explained how modern products for the exterior of autos and RVs help encapsulate the dirt that's on the side, and then you can remove the dirt and contaminants with a high-quality microfiber towel or mop head. And you can do that all without water, and you can even do it without ladders. You can stand right on the side of your RV and reach all the way to the top to do it. Now, today, we're going to talk about how to take this system that I just described and take it to the very next level. And that's so that we can further protect the surface from the elements, from UV rays, and by the way, damaging ultraviolet rays from the sun over the time probably does more harm than almost anything else. So you need a product like this. It's called Ultimate Fast Finish from Meguiar's. Now, what this product is a paint sealant. There are many good paint sealants on the market, and you don't have to use this one at all. I'll tell you why I do use it later on, but what you do need to use is some form of paint sealant to extend the protection of the wax that you applied with the Wash Wax All product. Essentially, paint sealants are the next step up for protection in exterior protection products. Now, the two main reasons I like to use this product is it is exceptionally easy to apply, and I do mean stupidly easy to apply. And second, it lasts longer than most paint sealant products that I have found on the market, and I have tried a lot of them. This one is mentioned even on the outside of the box to last up to a year. And apparently from some of the reviews, people are finding that to be true. Now let me show you how it works. Remember last time I took the Wash Wax All product. I applied it to the wet side of the mop head. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to spray this on. Look how easy that is. You just spray it. Then I'm going to take it, spray it on the surface of the RV. And once I've done that, I take my mop head, anchor it, do the same process as I did with the Wash Wax All. Take the dry side, anchor it, and make sure that the paint sealant is all leveled out and dried. And there you are. Once again, how simple and easy can that be? Now, I have to mention this though. The surface of the RV needs to be clean before you apply paint sealant. So don't just go out and apply paint sealant on its own. You need to use the Wash Wax All product or some other product to clean the vehicle first. Then apply the paint sealant afterward, after you've made sure that it's clean. One last point too, the instructions on the product says try not to get it on the glass of the RV. It's not that it really does damage, but apparently it's not a good thing to get it on the glass. Now, my final point here is that if you will use Wash Wax All and paint sealant together, you'll get the results that I've gotten. And that is, caring for your RV's exterior becomes quick, it becomes easy, it becomes simple and inexpensive. It's not a hard thing to do. In fact, I easily can go around my coach once a week. It's only about an hour or so of time. It's not really that hard to do. And when I'm done, the RV looks like a diamond. And it has really good protection that I know is going to last. So I hope that this three-part series has been helpful for you. There's a lot of talk out there about what to use to care for your RV on the outside. I'm just showing you what has worked for me. Once again, for those of you that just can't get your head around this kind of product and application, don't feel bad, but this is not for you. But for the rest of us who aren't averse to trying something a little new, and we want to save the time, energy, and effort and still get great results, this is a system that I think will work well for you. So if you enjoyed this series of videos, please give them a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And that's it for now. Safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.